Yo, good morning everybody. Today is very exciting and stressful day for me. Together with my friend Luis here who driving me. So we are having a Tim Hortons famous legendary double, which is like it's like legendary Canadian coffee, alright? I'm gonna tell you, is it nice, is it not? This is like personal preferences. Either way, that's not the topic of today's video about the Tim Hortons. We are going to United States of America, and basically we're going to Buffalo because it's actually only 100 kilometers from Toronto, like 100, 110, depends where you're going. Actually from my friend place, from Hamilton. From Toronto will be actually maybe a little bit more far. Either way, it's only like a 1 hour 10 minutes. Navi is saying, so we are going to United States. For my friend, there will be totally no issue because he's Canadian. For me, that may be a little bit different story. Either way, I got my ESTA, which is the permit to enter United States. And since last 2 years, for the Polish citizens going to United States is no problem at all. However, this is gonna be my very first time in the United States, and I'm going through land border by car. That's maybe no problem, maybe there will be some questions, but a little bit stressful for me. Either way, I will see you probably on the other side in different country in the United States. Hopefully I can make it. I will show you a little bit on the roads as well.
If you feel that life is passing you by, if each day that follows is one and the same, if all you need is someone to take the time, don't go looking, babe, here I am. Now if you want a real good friend, or if you need some sweet loving, or if you're looking for someone who won't pretend, don't go looking, babe, here I am. Why just crawl when you could be flying? Life's just a flash, forever dying. The shortest space between hell and
Welcome to United States of America. We made it. That's the Buffalo City in the background. Alright guys, little update. We made it to United States, going to Buffalo. It was we had to spend a little while in the office, custom office, obviously, because I'm first time visiting United States and through the land, and we are going by car, and overall it was like, you know, a few questions. Normal thing, normal procedure. Had to pay additional $6 for an over some application, and pretty that's it. So officially I'm in United States, going to Buffalo. Gonna have some lunch and stroll around, show you a little bit around today.
Exit 152 on the left onto I-90 East toward Buffalo Airport.
And this is the American highway. You can see the difference. It's a little bit different sound coming, but after that it's pretty similar actually. I'm gonna show you also the one of the kind soon. Must be somewhere. It's a little bit different way how they build the highways here. Here we go. We are arriving soon. So the first destination somewhere. We're gonna have something. Where are we going actually? What?
It's called Walden Galleria.
All right, cool. Let's see. That's the place. Welcome to United States. The road is big actually, so complicated to drive though. Ladies and gentlemen, I just arrived to United States of America, and this is official. I'm step on American ground. Or soil, whatever. Either way, we're gonna start with the Cheesecake Factory for the lunch. I'm hungry. The Cheesecake Factory. American size cheesecakes. Let's get inside. That's the pretty recent looking place here. That's the bar, and that's the decor, everything. And we have some American lunch today. We're gonna have that's the classic Americana cheeseburger. Looks decent, served like this. My friend have a mac and cheese burger. Yeah, maybe he will film me actually how I take a bite. Cameraman. That's the burger. Not sure actually how I supposed to eat. Take a bite or knife and all. I think I will take a bite, like very American way, by the way. I just wanna show you how big is it, like this one. I don't know how to bite this, but I'm gonna try. Very good. That's what I can say. really different flavor. Very good. Okay, I will enjoy. Cheers. Now is the time for the desserts, and they specialize with the cheesecake, as the name of the place saying. I will show you only how's the selection, and look at the number of calories of these cheesecakes. Like Reese peanut butter, 1,500 calories for the cheesecake. We ordered the classic one, and some people combine together with the milkshake. Let's say Oreo milkshake, 1,630 calories. Well, that's the American standard, right? Here we go, guys. This is the legendary strawberry cheesecake, famous for over 45 years. At least that's what they said. Looks like this one. A lot of whipped cream, strawberries, cheesecake. I'm gonna have a try. It's inside the mall. That's how does it look like. I'm gonna tell you. I'll show you a little bit. It's very quiet though. That's only what I'm gonna tell you at the beginning. And it smells differently. That's what actually I noticed for some reason. It's nice smell, but it's differently. We're going to Dick's Sporting Goods. I'm gonna get some Buffalo Football Club t-shirts or something, so everybody will know. I'm gonna walk in Kuta with this t-shirt. Let's see what they're gonna say actually. Yeah, let's see. Has the stores, but very quiet, but big. But no people here in general. You have a baseball bats here. Have you played at school or something? Cool. Just don't. You cannot carry this in the car. You see, this is what is the other usage of this one. But you can find a lot of interesting stuff here in general. Looking for the t-shirt actually. I should get one. That's the last shot from the mall, and this must be some legendary Starbucks here. Overall, that's the malls in America, how they look like. This is it. Well, that was the first view of America. Actually, in Buffalo, not much you can do because this is like a city nearby there, Canada, obviously. But you can see the bus. And overall, that's the thing. Alright, that was the American lunch, American mall, American smell of the mall. In the mall, actually, basically, gain so many calories. So I'm gonna drive around the city a little bit, show you Buffalo. Just in case if you don't know, Buffalo is already New York State. So it's interesting. And that's the Target. That's very popular supermarket, only available here in United States. So basically we are heading to downtown Buffalo. Here we go, let's see. Sun is very sharp. Bro, I'm filming. Yeah, that's the, oh, look at the trains actually. They're big. Everything is big. That's America. The highways are in America as well, like this one. Just one more shot before we're gonna get to downtown Buffalo. Speed limits in miles. In Canada they are km/h. Here they are already miles per hour, so it's 55, as you can see, like this. American school bus, but mini version actually. This one was small, and the roads are concrete one. Like actually the sound is very specific when you drive here. Here we go, downtown of Buffalo. There in the background, gonna pass by the city hall, I think, somewhere there. Yep. Stadium over there, parking. This is it. We're still on the highway actually. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are arriving to downtown Buffalo. I wanted to say Toronto, but it's actually Buffalo, United States of America. So the first city in America looks like this one. American muscle car with the American registration plate, Legion from New York. Here we go. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the strolling around the city center of Buffalo, downtown of Buffalo. That's the main roundabout, as I can see on the map actually. Looks like this one. American. What am I gonna tell you? American buildings, American walls,
At the stop sign,
American flags.
turn right onto Niagara Square, then turn left onto Niagara Square.
This building actually old looking, like this one. America. That's how you drive. Sheriff car.
Well, there's no like lanes.
Yeah, there's no lanes on this roundabout actually. American freestyle, bro.
It's like, this is like Bali.
He said like that, not me. Oh, American flag. I cannot fake it as I'm not in America right now. It's America. United States of America.
Look at this one car parked.
You can park like this one in America as well.
Yes, no.
It's cool. Freestyle. That's the red light.
Does it stop here?
The destination is on your right. Buffalo City Hall.
That's this. An American police car. Buffalo Police. See? I'm in America. This is some guy there. Cannot see his name.
I don't know where I am now.
And that's it about the city hall. And also American trucks. We are going back to Niagara, Canada, Fort Erie border. Let's see. That's actually a quick trip to United States, day trip. A lot of American trucks here. And why is so traffic though, actually? But this is how the life look like here. Just wanna show you a little bit of the American trucks here. And looking like this one. Moser. Here you go. Big. Like this one, guys. The traffic is also big. And of course, if I'm in America, there must be somebody driving a Harley Davidson, right? It's like already mission is complete here, I could say. Here you go. One more shot. He just passed by. That's it. This is it. They all going to Canada, by the way, or what? Yeah? No? I don't know. Don't think so. But this is it.
Take the exit.
We are going to the Peace Bridge, Niagara Street. Thanks, America, for having me today here. But it's time to back. That's actually the traffic going somewhere else. So should we not that big long queue on the border? Yep, Canada only. USA exit. Canada only. We are going back to Canada. Once you make this turn, there is no way to back. It's actually nearby the border. Customs, Canada, duty free, currency exchange, all of this stuff. Actually, in Canada, US, you can use Canadian dollars and US dollars no matter where you go. There will be just change given in the currency. Whoa, what he's doing. Well, I like to film actually those trucks. And this is the border. Probably I will switch off the camera. Actually, maybe not. Yeah, that's the border. US flags. Thanks, America, for having me. Welcome to Canada. Soon after the bridge. Here we go. Actually, the queue now to US is bigger. And we are crossing the bridge. As you can see, the Maple Leaf, Canada. That's it. Basically, if you cross the bridge on the center, there will be already the border. Yeah, that's the Niagara River. The sun is facing. Nice bridge. It's called Peace Bridge itself, and that's the view on the other side. Actually, wanted to show you. That's the America. That's Canada. So cool experience, actually. Cool experience. Thanks, bro, for taking me here today, bro. Peace. Peace on the Peace Bridge. That's actually true. And basically, we are already. That's the flags. That's the flags what I film. US, Canada. That's how you crossing the border. Actually, yo, the truck blocked my way a little bit. This is it. So many trucks actually going to US now.
Where's your passport?
I lost it. I got this.
Use the left.
That's will be a big problem if I lose the passport right now, especially right now. Cannot even imagine though. Yeah, but that's it. We are already back to Canada. There will be the border. I'm not gonna film where we actually passing the gate because that's not how it's supposed to be. But that's how you're crossing the border between the United States of America and Canada. It's basically simple. It's just some checkpoints.
Keep left.
Yeah, this
Then
is
turn
it.
left to merge onto Queen Elizabeth Way.
Basically, we are arriving to Canada. As you can see, the huge flag of Canada. The border looks like this one. Canadian border. Cool. Okay, we'll see you on the other side. All right, and we are just after the crossing the border between US and Canada. It was much smoother in general. Just a few questions: what you do, how, why, and stuff, and that's it. We are back to Canada. Basically, easy peasy. What I'm gonna tell you, actually crossing the border. It's not that bad, but a little bit stressful, of course, because that's first time you do it and everything. But overall cool experience. So like I said, we have already less than 100 kilometers. It was exactly 105 kilometers to go. Roads in Canada like this one. So in general, a very cool experience going to US, even for a few hours. So happy to visit another country on my list. Have the American meal, which is also very important. And basically, as I said, feel tired a little bit. Going like 1 hour to home. Tomorrow another video from Canada. I'm still here for a few days. Soon we're gonna travel also to Calgary, which is gonna be a few interesting videos. Well, thanks for watching as always. Would you like to add something, bro?
See you.